SDS Evolution DLP SDS-Exclusive Connection. An introduction. Now more than ever, workers are having to access the company file server from a remote location. It's risky to allow machines outside the company walls to connect to the office server. On the other hand, you can't have seamless remote work environments with the server entirely blocked. This creates a complicated situation where administrators must find a way of creating seamless environments while reducing data loss risks. SDS-Exclusive Connection is an easy-to-use and secure feature that automatically blocks access to the company's network from unauthorized computers and maintains the office server security. Computers are authorized when they have the same SDS installation and encryption keys. SDS shares the same keys with machines within the company. SDS server determines if the accessing machine is with the same SDS installation and has the same encryption keys before allowing them to connect. Also, SDS Exclusive Connection does not require any hardware. By only having to install SDS, SDS Exclusive Connection can be easily used while maintaining a high level of security, as well as allowing remote employees to use their computers as if they were working at the office. Furthermore, SDS Exclusive Connection supports IP masquerade, meaning that SDS client machines' connection to company data is secure even when using public Wi-Fi. When looking at the screen, you see that the SDS Exclusive Connection will be automatically activated when SDS is installed. Here's an example with accessing the SDS server. A computer with the same SDS installation and encryption keys can access the server. Access from non-SDS computers or SDS computers with different encryption keys will be denied. The time, IP address, and machine name will be recorded in logs when a non-SDS computer was denied access. To summarize, SDS Exclusive Connection stops connections from unauthorized or non-SDS computers. It maintains secure access even when using public Wi-Fi. It allows remote workers to connect to the office server securely. With SDS Exclusive Connection, you can create a seamless, secure, remote work-ready environment.